Namaskar, good afternoon. Welcome to this office yoga session organized by the Embassy of India, Addis Ababa in Ethiopia. So we have been practicing office yoga. In this office yoga, we tone up our muscles, we loosen our joints, we stretch our various organs, and we also do breathing exercises for calming down and activating our vital energy. So let us start. Kindly sit in Gyan Mudra, index finger and thumb together, and wrist resting on the knees, eyes gently closed, spine erect, head straight, facial expression normal. Inhale deeply and we will do humming 3 times. Inhale. Open your eyes. With a view to loosen and stretch our all joints and muscles, we start with the all joints. Stretch your arms forward and bend your finger from first joint, second joint, make the fist open, and again bend the fingers from joints, close the fist, open. Now with your left hand, pull the fingers of your right hand inward, pull it comfortably and feel the impact on your wrist joint, forearm, shoulders and upper arm. Now push your hand inward, come back. Now with your right hand, pull the fingers, keep the fingers spread, not like this, this should be spread. And pull your fingers inward, come back. Push your hand inward, come back. Now make the fist and move the fist in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Now rotation of the fist, outward movement, slowly, gradually move the fist outwardly, inward movement, come back. Now place your fingers jointly on the shoulders for a rotation of the elbows. Inhaling, raise your elbows up, exhaling, back and down, inhaling, forward and up, exhaling, back and down, inhaling, forward and up, exhaling, back and down. Now a reverse movement of the elbows, inhaling, back and up, exhaling, forward and down, inhaling, back and up, exhaling, forward and down, inhaling, back and up, exhaling, forward and down. Now place your hands on your waist. Inhaling, raise your shoulders up. exhaling forward and down, inhaling back and up, exhaling forward and down. Now reverse movement, inhaling forward and up, exhaling back and down, inhaling forward and up, exhaling back and down. Now neck movement. A word of caution, those having cervical issues, they should not bend their head forward. Other exercise they can do. Now we will do first neck muscles flexibility exercises, movement up, down, left, right and rotation, and then followed by neck muscles strengthening exercises. So first be ready for neck muscles flexibility exercises. Inhaling, raise your chin up. Exhaling, chin down. Inhaling, chin up. Exhaling, chin down. Inhaling, come to normal. Inhale and exhaling, turn to right. Stay there with normal breathing. Inhaling, come to center. Exhaling, turn to left. Stay there with normal breathing. Inhaling, come to center. Our movements have to be gradual. Exhaling, turn to right. Inhaling, come to center. Exhaling, turn to left. Inhaling, come to center. Now with the right hand, hold your head and pull your head towards the right side. Tilt your head towards the right side. Come back. With your left hand, pull the head towards the left side. Come back. Now place your grip below the jaw and push your jaw upward. This is natural yogic traction of the upper spine, that is cervical region. Come back. Now place your fists, both the fists in between the chin and the neck pit, and push your chin downward. Come back. These were the neck muscles, neck joint flexibility exercises. Now neck muscles strengthening exercises. Make the grip and put your grip on your forehead and push your head forward. Come back. Place the grip behind the head and push your head backward. Come back. Place your right hand on right side. Push your head toward the right side. Come back. Place your left hand on left side. Push your head towards the left side. Come back. Now rotation of the head. Exhaling, bend your head down and rotate your head clockwise. Those having cervical, they should not move the head forward. They should do half back rotation. Reverse, anti-clockwise. Come back. Now spinal stretch. In office working, we often get fatigue, lethargy, and so as to alert ourselves, it is a basic thing. We should stretch our spine backward, sitting on the chair itself. So kindly spread your arms forward and stretch your arms backward, stretch your spine backward. Feel the complete stretch in your spine. Slowly, slowly come back. Now spread your arms sideways and stretch your spine back. Slowly, slowly come back. Now legs exercises. Stretch your legs forward and pull your forefoot inward. Push your forefoot downward. Pull your forefoot inward. Push your forefoot downward. Now rotate the forefoot clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Come back. Now place your legs one over another and press them against each other. Feel the impact on your calf muscles, knee joint and thigh muscles. Change, please. Push the legs against each other. Come back. Now press the knees against one another. Come back. So these were the legs joints exercises. Now we will do sitting Mandukasana. Place the fist on your navel point and inhale, exhaling, bend forward. And while completely bent, you can have normal breathing. Slowly, slowly come back. This Mandukasana, sitting frog posture, it helps in curing the diabetes because it massages and presses the pancreas, which is responsible for secretion of the insulin. So we'll do some standing exercises. Stand up, go behind your chair. First, Tadasana. Combine your heels and toes apart and put your grip on your head. Stretch your arms upward. Raise your heels. Stand up on your heels. Breathe normally. Look at one point so as to maintain the concentration and balance. Slowly, slowly come back. This Tadasana helps in improving the nervous system, activating the nervous system, digestive system and excretory system. Now we will do Tiryak Tadasana. Heels on the ground and toes apart. Place a grip on your head. Stretch your arms upward and inhale, exhaling, bend towards the right side. Breathe normally. Slowly, slowly come back. Inhale and exhaling, bend towards the left side. Slowly, slowly. Come back. Hands down. Now we will do sideways twisting. Spread your legs more than shoulder width apart, and this stretch your arms forward and inhale, exhaling, twist towards the right side, left hand on the right shoulder, left hand on your waist. Look back, feel complete spinal twist. Slowly, slowly come back. Now inhale and exhaling, twist towards bend towards the left side. Slowly, slowly come back. Hands down. We will do one more stretching exercise while standing. Grip your hands from behind and raise your arms up like this. Raise further, raise further, raise further as per your capacity. Try to lift as far as possible and stay there. Breathe normally. Slowly, slowly come back. This releases the frozen shoulder stiffness also. Come back, sit down please. Sit in Gyan Mudra and reverse your hands on the knees. We are going to do Kapalabhati. Inhale deeply and start exhaling actively and passive inhalation in between the two strokes. A word of caution, those having hypertension, cardiac issues, they should avoid this normal Kapalabhati. They can do mild Kapalabhati, which will take up after this. And those who have been operated upon due to abdominal region, they should avoid it. And females undergoing menstruation cycle and pregnancy, they should avoid the Kapalabhati altogether. So keep your spine straight and inhale and exhale with normal speed and normal force. Slowly, slowly come back. This is Kapalabhati with normal speed and normal force. Now mild Kapalabhati, for those having hypertension issues or cardiac issues, they can do with mild Kapalabhati. It is lesser speed and lesser force. So start mild Kapalabhati. Slowly come back. This is mild Kapalabhati. This can be done. This should be done empty stomach only. And other pranayama like Anulom Vilom Brahmari, they can be done even after the meals. So next pranayama is Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Alternate nostril breathing. Left hand in Gyan Mudra like this, wrist on the knee, and right hand in Nasak Mudra. Bend your first two fingers and with the right nostril, right thumb, cover the right nostril and inhale through left. Slow, deep and long breath. Block the left nostril, open the right nostril, exhale through right. Inhale through right. Exhale through left. Inhale through left. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Exhale through left. Inhale through left. Exhale through left, right. Inhale through right. Through left. Please conclude Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Anulom Vilom Pranayama helps in curing the hypertension, any stress, anxiety, and the persons having insomnia, sleeplessness, they also get the benefit. Rather, those having insomnia, if they practice the Anulom Vilom Pranayama and Brahmari Pranayama going to the bed, sound sleep. And it energy channels, like we have got left side is the Ida, right side is the Pingla. Cool and hot, Chandranadi and Surya Nadi, both are combined. There is a balance of both the nadis, and it purifies the channels. So now we do the Brahmari Pranayama, and block the eyes with the first two fingers, ring finger below the nose, and keep the little finger below the lips. Cover the ears with the thumbs. Inhale, and first you turn the tongue upward to touch the soft palate at the back. Inhale and humming 3 times. Come back. Keep your eyes closed and concentrate over your breath. Breathe normally, naturally. Now visualize your body right from the toes to the top of the head. Feel relaxation to all organs, all parts of the body. Relax your mind and body. Relax your spine. Feel fully rejuvenated. Feel fully energized and charged. Feel inhale deeply and do the humming 3 times. Slowly, gradually open your eyes. This is a brief session of office yoga. This can be performed only sitting on the chair, while some of the standing posture they can be done while standing. And a word of caution for those in Kapalabhati and for bending for cervical lesion. Those having cervical, they should not bend their head forward, and those Kapalabhati having cardiac issues and hypertension, they should not hold the breath while doing any yogic activities, asana or pranayama. And those who have been operated for abdominal regions, they should wait for 1 year, and they can do the mild yoga after 1 year, and slowly they can pick up. And a notice, information please, the evening yoga class which we used to take at 6 o'clock in the evening, they have been suspended for the timing for some unavoidable reasons, and this morning office yoga will continue. So hope to see you tomorrow, and hope you enjoyed this office yoga session. See you tomorrow. Till then, stay blessed, stay healthy, stay safe. Namaste. Thank you.